Hello friends, welcome back to our creative crafting world. Today we are exploring the magic of Xmix tree crafts, from simple DIY projects made with paper, rolls, yarn or recycled material to beautiful mini trees for your home decorations. Xmix tree crafting is not only fun but also beneficial for mindfulness, creativity and even growing a small business. The Xmix tree is more than decoration, it's a symbol of hope, light, and togetherness. Crafting your own tree makes the holiday season feel more personal. When we craft a tree, we pour our love and imagination into it. It's eco friendly when we use recycled paper, cardboard, or natural branches. And it creates memories with family, kids love to help, and every tree becomes unique. So instead of buying plastic tree, why not make your own Xmix tree with love? Here are some beautiful DIY Xmix trees craft ideas. Paper roll trees, cut and stack toilet paper rolls into a tree shape, then paint and decorate with stars. Yarn trees, wrap green yarn around a cone shaped paper mold, then decorate with beads. Wooden stick trees, arrange small sticks into a triangle and decorate with tiny ornaments. Button or bead trees, glue colorful buttons or beads in a shape of a tree on cardboard. Wall hanging tree, use fairy lights and paper ornaments to form a glowing tree on the wall. These crafts can be a tabletop decoration, gifts or even wall art. Crafting is Xmix tree is just decoration, it's a mindful activity. The repetitive motion of cutting, gluing, and wrapping calm the mind. Crafting helps you focus on the present. Did you know you can also turn this into a small business? Handmade mini Xmix trees and ornaments are very popular in local markets and online store, and this is the season. You can go and make your small business start. You can sell eco-friendly trees, personalized wreath or custom ornaments on Etsy, Facebook or Instagram. Families, offices and schools often buy handmade decorations because they are unique and full of charm. Even a simple paper tree with creative painting can become a product if you package it beautifully. Trees are a nature connection, and let's not forget the deeper meaning of trees. Trees remind us of life, patience, and renewal. By making a Xmix tree craft, we can knot with nature without cutting down real trees. Using recycled paper or natural materials also helps the environment. So every DIY tree is not just a decoration, it's a gift back to the planet. So this holiday season, let's create not just decoration but mindful art. Whether you make a tiny paper tree, a glowing yarn tree or a rustic wooden tree, remember, your hands are building more than crafts, they are building memories. Thank you for joining me in this creative journey. In this video, we try to bring for you the amazing ideas for Xmix tree. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. Thank you for joining me in this creative journey and beautiful journey of tree showing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive craft ideas. Trees perfect. Today we are celebrating the spirit of season with Xmix tree crafts, or as we call them, Xmix tree creations. The tree has always been a symbol of joy, light, and family. But imagine making your own tree with your hands, every fold, every ornament, every details infused with love. In this video, we are explored not just how to craft beautifully trees, but also how these little creations can bring mindfulness, emotional balance, family bonding, and even business opportunities. Now, when you make a tree with your own creativity, it becomes even more meaningful. Instead of just placing a store bought